Hi students, how are you? Hope you all doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Students, will continue with our chapter 3 more on Windows 8 and this is session 2. For this session, we'll continue with to pin apps to the taskbar and desktop effects. In Windows 8, how to pin the apps to the taskbar. Listen, right click anywhere on the start screen. A menu will appear at the bottom. Click the All App button. What button? All App button. Next, in that you select the app. There will be lot of app will be listed. For example, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, etc. Yes, and then Chrome, many app will be listed. So you select the app which you want to pin to the taskbar. Then you click pin to taskbar option. Now the icon will be added to your taskbar. Clear? Next, desktop effects. This we have already learned in 7th standard and we are now going to learn again in 8th standard also. Arrow snap, arrow peek, arrow shake, arrow flip. What is arrow? Arrow is a feature which makes our desktop very fun and easy way. Right? To make our desktop, that is visual interaction. Visually attraction is done by using arrow snap, arrow peek, arrow shake, arrow flip. So first is arrow snap. So what is arrow snap in the sense? So when multiple windows are open, yes, it is a easier way to read, organize and compare. Clear? So for example, you can resize any application. Now you can see the screen. I have resized 3 windows. There are 3 separate windows. I have resized, yes, so that it is easier to read, organize and compare. So arrow snap in the sense it is resizing your windows. So for what we are resizing? To read, organize and compare. Next is the arrow peek. What do you mean by arrow peek? Listen, arrow peek makes your open window transparent so that you can see your desktop. Yes, I'll tell you one by one with the clear picture view. Yes, and also it allows you to peek at items in your taskbar for a thumbnail preview. Yes, one is transparent, another one is thumbnail preview. We want to know what do you mean by transparent and thumbnail preview, isn't it? Yes, let us see. Yes, so this is your open window transparent. Can you see here? In first picture, many windows are open. In the second picture, all the windows look like a glass like preview so that you can see your desktop. What is in the desktop easily. Can you see? In the down of the taskbar at the end, next to the date and time, there is a small button called as Show Desktop button. When you click that button, yes, when you keep your mouse on that button, your window will look like a second picture. Clear? Next, when multiple windows are open, when you keep your mouse at the taskbar, this application will look like a small preview. This preview is called as a thumbnail view. Can you see? So this is what? Arrow peek. One is making windows transparent and next one is thumbnail view. Clear? Next is arrow flip. Arrow flip allows you to preview all the open windows from a central window. Can you see? When multiple windows are open, see the first picture, when you hold the Alt key and then press the Tab key, yes, you will find this first picture view, right? Next is the 3D view. You can hold the Window key and Tab key to see the 3D view. Can you find the both the views? So for the flip view, normal flip view, we can use Alt plus Tab key. For 3D view, we can use Window key plus Tab key. Next, the fourth one is arrow shake. When multiple windows are open, you want only one window to be open, others to be minimized. So for example, Paint, Word, Game, PowerPoint, Excel, many are open. You want only Game to be on that screen. So what you have to do is keep your mouse on the top of the Game app. Just give a left click, hold it and give a shake. Other application will minimize, only Game app will be in the view of yours. Clear? Again you can hold over the top and click it, hold it and give a shake again. Again all the windows will reappear. Clear? So this is called as arrow shake. It is done by using a mouse. So click on the top of the windows you want to focus on and shake your mouse. The rest will disappear. Shake the window again. The closed window will reappear. Clear for you? Yes, I have shown with the picture example. I have given the point where you have to hold it and you have to shake it. Clear? Yes. With this all your desktop effects are over, right? And this comes the 1 mark. So everything you can find the answer in your video itself. Yes, you can try here. Yes, I have given on 2 mark. Give the steps to pin apps to the taskbar. You can find the answer for this question in the video itself. Right? Study and write and post back in your corresponding group. Next is the match the following. I think it is quite easier only. You can try. Yes. With the small hints you can find out what is the correct match for everything. Yes. Hey students, it's time to say bye bye. Take care.